Congratulations.
Thank you.
Tell me how you feel.
Over the moon, so proud of this team, of what we've achieved, and it's just hopefully we've made the whole nation proud, and it's just a great achievement from us, and it was a dream come true when that final whistle, because this is what I've wanted to do with this national team, is to try and get them and have an influence on them getting to a major championship, and finally have achieved that.
When did you know that you were through?
I knew we had half a chance with 5 minutes to go because I saw it on the board going across. I saw Cyprus were going 2-1, so yeah, it was sort of weird mixed emotions on the pitch then with 5 minutes to go, but there we go. We did all the hard work, you could say, before this game. We got ourselves in a great position, and yeah, we're going to enjoy this.
You've had some success with Arsenal, but where does this rank? Because you were so proud as a Welshman.
Of course, yeah, this is definitely up there with one of the greatest achievements in my career, and possibly will be until the day comes when I retire. So to get this country to a major championship is a great achievement. We're not a massive nation, but we're a nation with a lot of hungry players for success. So hopefully we can stay at this level now.
The golden generation is finally glittering, isn't it?
Of course, yeah. We've been together for a long time now, and you can feel that we've come. We've had some really low times, but we've stuck together as a team. We've grinded out some results and got better with the years. So. And we've finally shown now this campaign what we're capable of doing, and hopefully now we can finish the job off on style on Tuesday.
Nobody wants to miss that occasion, do they, on Tuesday? Even if you're on one leg, you want to be out there?
Of course, yeah, I want to be out there. It's going to be a great occasion at home. We've already qualified, so I'm sure it'll be a great atmosphere and one for everybody to remember and to be a part of.
Atmosphere, Aaron, that you've been looking forward to, because the incentive has been there all the way through this campaign, this final game in Cardiff?
Of course, yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. As a sellout, we're at home. We've already qualified, so it's going to be a sort of party atmosphere anyway. So I'm sure all the players will enjoy themselves out there, and hopefully we can finish off with style.
And you talk about those times just quickly. What's that dressing room like then with the good times?
Yeah, it was brilliant. There was a lot of beer being thrown everywhere and drinks and things. So yeah, it was a great occasion, and it'll stick with me forever. Thank you.
Gareth, many congratulations. How do you feel?
Yeah, I think it's hard to put into words, but I think it'll probably go down as the best loss in my career. So no, it's obviously something we've been working hard for since I started, and yeah, I think fair credit to all the boys, all the staff, all the fans. It's a moment to enjoy.
What has it been like in that dressing room?
Yeah, very fun. Yeah, no, it's something as I said, we've been working hard for, and now we've done it. No matter what way it was, we crossed the line, and yeah, I think we're going to enjoy the occasion now.
Have you thought about all the times Wales went so close? You watched as a boy, and great players, Hughes, Rush, Southall, Ratcliffe, those sort of players, didn't do what you just done.
Yeah, well, obviously we know the history of Wales, and I think we're the first team to actually qualify properly. So it's yeah, going to go down in history, but yeah, there's still a lot of hard work to do after this.
How determined are you after, everybody doubted your fitness, but you would be out there on one leg on Tuesday, wouldn't you?
Yeah, no, obviously it's difficult. I haven't played for 3 to 4 weeks now. I had 20 minutes on the weekend, which isn't really much, but no, it's good to obviously get some minutes as well. My fitness obviously this will help, and yeah, hopefully I'll be saying to the gaffer I want to be playing. So
horrible question, but you won the Champions League. Where does this compare?
Yeah, I think it's right up there, to be honest, if not above it. So yeah, it's everybody knows how important Wales are to me, and how proud we all are to play for our country, and yeah, it ranks top, if not on a par with everything else.
And you'll be playing on the stage with some great your teammates.
Yeah, exactly. I think that's been our aim the whole time, and yeah, we've managed to put a good run of games in a qualification campaign, which we've been lacking of in the past. So yeah, it's obviously great to get the job done, and we'll enjoy this moment now.
Well done.
Thank you. I mean, you're obviously on adrenaline right now, but do you think it will take some time to sink in?
No.